Your data silo may not be a software problem at all. More dashboards cannot repair a conversation nobody wants to start. At this bank, business and technology shared goals but guarded everything. Meetings became acronym warfare, with every request sounding like a threat. Then, Mickey proposed a mandatory alignment workshop with Italian lunch. The food contained no data, but it changed the room's temperature. Still, business sat on one side and technology sat opposite. Mickey's simple instruction was to switch seats between courses. Nobody had a protected side anymore, and a table finally opened. Tech began explaining backup delays in plain, useful English. Business then explained deadlines without hiding behind compliance jargon. By dessert, information moved because people finally understood each other. That is the point. Trust moves information before systems can. Start small, with mixed seating in every cross-functional working session. Create shared meals before demanding shared responsibility during the crisis. Use plain language briefings so pressures become visible across the table. Ask whether the gap is technical or simply relational. Before you migrate the data, move the people.